So you're going to need NetBeans for this course. There are other Java IDEs available, some other big ones in the field, IntelliJ or Eclipse are very popular. We're going to use NetBeans just to make sure that everyone gets a consistent experience, especially when looking at these videos. But the other IDEs are also fine. We're just using this for the sake of consistency, and you'll find that when you transition from NetBeans to IntelliJ or Eclipse or vice versa, that pretty much all the same features are there. It's just going to be a matter of preference. You should, again, if you took the intro course, you should already have a version of NetBeans installed. You'll want to make sure, though, that you're running at least NetBeans 8 to make sure that, again, for the sake of consistency, everyone's getting the same deal. So make sure you're running NetBeans 8. If not, go ahead and download NetBeans 8. I've already got it downloaded and installed, so I'm going to fire that up. And I'm just going to walk through starting up a new project. Up here in the left corner, you'll see the new project icon. Also going under File, you'll see a new project option. Both of those places are going to take you to the same thing, the new project wizard. And in the new project wizard, it'll ask you what type of project you want to create. By default, for this course, we're just going to go with the default selection, which is Java application. So you can usually just skip this screen and hit next. For your project name, you're going to want to go with whatever the project specifications advertise. So in this case, for the first project that you need to turn in, I believe it is Module 1 Milestone. So that way, when we're going back and referencing previous projects, it's easier to name them consistently. For this project, you're going to need to generate a main class. Pretty much for all of our projects, you're going to need to generate a main class. So we can leave this checked, but the default package hierarchy that it creates here is not in line with what we want to do. Again, if you took intro with me, you know what I'm looking for here. If you didn't take it with me, what you're going to want to do is for your base package name, for every single Java class you submit to me, you will want to have your Lansing Community College username. All lowercase, because Java packages are always, or by convention, typically all lowercase. So put your Lansing Community College username in all lowercase, followed by a dot. This notes that this is a package name. Everything before the dot is a package name. And if you're not up to speed on packages, I'll post some supplemental reading on that. So this is our package name. And then after the dot, we need the name of our class. And again, the project specifications are going to tell you what to name your main class. I think for the first project, it says main app or something along those lines. It's going to be very, very, very helpful to me if you all have the same name for your main class. It's just going to make things go a lot smoother when you guys start submitting projects with tons of classes in them. If you all use the same name, it makes it easier for me to locate. So again, for this first project, you're going to have your package name as your LCC username, and then a dot, and then the name of your main class. And we can click finish. All right, NetBeans will generate some stuff for us over here on the left in the project view. We can see the name of our project. And if we open that up, we can see a source packages folder, which is where we're going to put all of our code. And inside the source packages folder, we have the base package that we created. So this should be your LCC username right here. And then inside that package, we should have main app .java, which is the source code file for our main app class, which will contain our main method. In the editor view, it opens up that .java file by default. So it has our package statement, has the class declaration, as well as the main method declaration, and a bunch of comments strewn all around. Most of these you can, well, at least these we can get rid of. The class comment you're going to want to leave in there. You'll want to do the supplemental reading on JavaDoc and make sure that you have a good class documentation in there. But this is where you're going to get started in actually writing code. Let's plug in some code there. I've got a main app class that actually does something. I can hit run. Green arrow up there. So that's getting a project going in NetBeans. Shoot me an email if you have any questions about this video.